Hey, 30-Minute Marketers, Gary here with you. Let's take a quick look at a simple strategy that you can use to start earning more commissions. Check out the page here. You can see the number of sales, but more importantly is the hop conversion, 21.4% to 0%. Now look at these tracking codes. One of these was from my YouTube channel. The other one was from my email list. The one that I sent from my email list, or the hops that you see here from my email list, was from traffic that came from my email list and me just simply sending them directly to the offer without following the simple strategy that I'm about to show you. This page that you see here now is what is called a bonus page. This is a bridge page or a landing page that you send people to before they actually go to the offer to make their purchase. So you as an affiliate, you create a bonus page, and then on that bonus page, what you do is you explain what's going on the bonus page and how the product is going to help them, and then you add a bonus. And in this case, this is where the strategy kicks in. The simple strategy is to have your own product to offer as a bonus. You can see here I'm offering a product called Plus Vendor. Now, the important part about this strategy is that it has to be a real product. Here is the sales page where you can see that I sell this and I explain what all you get inside of the product that I'm selling called Plus Vendor. And it's important because it needs to be real. It needs to be seen and known and understood that you actually sell this product and that it has a real value associated with it. That way, when you put it on the bonus page and you offer it up, then you provide real value on the bonus page by offering real value when you are giving this product as part of the solution to the problem that the product you're an affiliate for is the key component or solving the problem for your audience. Now you're probably looking at this page and you're saying to yourself, or you're thinking, great, but now I actually have to create my own product. I just want to be an affiliate. I need an easier way to do this, and that is what I'm going to show you now, a shortcut. The shortcut is this. There's a link in the description. It will actually take you over to this bonus page where you can actually get the product that I referred to here in this video earlier that I'm showing you for this bonus. And you can check this out. This is a white label birthday blowout. If you don't know what white label is or what white label means, it simply means it's content that you can use as your own. So when you click the link in the description, it'll take you over to this page. You click this orange grab this deal now button. It'll take you over to this sales page. These are products from Tony Newton. Tony Newton has created these training products that you can take and you can sell as your own. You can see here that they include a done for you sales page, an HTML squeeze page, as well as HTML video training pages to include the videos, which are the content that make up the product, and full setup instructions so you can set these up. You can see there's 5 products here. After you make the purchase of these 5 products, you will get the information from Tony Newton on a download thank you page that you can see here. Then you can download all 5 of these products to include the Social Affiliate Mastermind bonus. So 6 products, all you simply do is click here to download, and that will download a set of files in a directory like you see here. You'll have some instructions as well as your white label rights to tell you what you can and can't do. But there's not a whole lot that you can't do. And in this case, what you're doing, or why this makes this so valuable and how you're going to use this to increase your commissions to earn more money as an affiliate, because you can take this, for example, this page right here, index.html. And when you open that up, you're going to see that all the copy is done for you. This is your sales page. This becomes your sales page for your product that you can then put up and put a real value to it, and then use this as a bonus and earn more in commissions. This also comes with the training page, this training HTML page. Take a look at this. You can lay this out into a training area and put all your training here on a page. Or if you want to, you can add even more value, both perceived and real value, by going over to Groove pages. There's a link in the description of this video for a free account to Groove. You can access Groove and you can use what is called a Groove member. Inside of Groove member, you have the ability to set up memberships, courses, and you can upload your files. and you can actually provide a real membership area in the form of memberships and courses inside of those memberships that look like this, where you can name your membership. And then you can provide different courses, and then once they log in by clicking the login button, then they will have the ability to actually log into the course. And now you've created a full-blown membership that you're giving away as a bonus, where you can add content, the content that you got from Tony Newton, link in the description for that white label for all those products. You can take those products and you can make them own inside of your course, inside of your own membership site. And then when someone purchases from you, they'll get an email with a username and a password in their secure membership area to access your product. And again, they'll click on that link in the email. They'll get this page. It is perceived and real value, both due to the fact that it's perceived value because you've put it in a membership area. You've taken the time to actually create a portal for them to access the information that you've created for them. And it is real value because you've taken the time to give them quality information and fill a gap or add extra value to the product that you're promoting. This works best and easiest with information products like what I'm showing you here, but it can be done with physical products as well. But keep this simple for now. Take and create your own information products. And if you are in the Make Money Online niche, link in the description for Tony Newton's 5 white label products. It'll take you over to my bonus page, and you can actually see the bonus that I'm offering, where I show you how to set this up on the Warrior Plus marketplace. This strategy is simple. This strategy is effective. This strategy is something you can start right now today. Link in the description. Check out those white label products. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.